2, buckle your shoe.
It buckles in my shoe.
3, 4, shut the door.
Why should I shut the door? I didn't even open it.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
First you want me to buckle my shoe? I'm gonna pick up sticks.
I'm just asking you to do some work around the house a little bit.
I quit. Find somebody else to do your dirty work.
Danny! Danny! Oh.
Yeah?
You can help me with something?
What? You want me for anything?
Yes. 9, 10, big fat hen.
What kind of hen?
What kind of hen? Wait, what do you mean?
Poem.
It's a poem about doing stuff. Will you do something for me?
Why, you want me to lay an egg in your head?
Lay an egg on my head?
You call me a hen so I can...
You think just because I call you a hen, that entitles you to lay an egg on my head?